Lirio Escaño National High School, an institution of strong foundation, born to be the hope of youths for our future, to achieve our goals and ambitions. Quality education for us you offer, in the hearts of teachers and stakeholders. For what you've been taught brought heaven to this earth. It's God's love and forgiveness to mankind. You mold us with tears, patience and faith, to become God-fearing and value-oriented. Thank you, my dear, beloved alma mater. Your name in my life will remain forever. Lirio Escaño National High School. You are my strength, my inspiration. We'll continue to care, we'll continue to share, we'll continue to love God, our greatest teacher. You've given us wisdom to fight ignorance, progressive life to each and everyone. You call all children to come into your arms, a place of love and fun, a home of chance. You mold us with tears, patience and faith, to become God-fearing and value-oriented. Thank you, my dear, beloved alma mater. Your name in my life will remain forever. Lirio Escaño National High School.